All right, we're at the Dynam Pitts Python 12. We're at construction site. Barely any wind. Beautiful sky to fly in. So we're going to give her a shot. Got a bunch of planes today. And we got a nice runway. Probably land on the grass, but we're going to take off on the ice just to see what happens. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Whee! Let's go nice and high because we can today because there's barely any clouds. Then we go flat spin. Come on. There we go. Flat spin. And burn it to. Oh, look at that one. That was awesome. Sun in my eyes. Dang it. That was neat. Straight up rifle barrel. Nice high speed pass. It's got an awesome howl to it. That was an awesome rifle barrel. We can repeat that. Wow. Wow. Learning something new. What's in that pond? Hit the brakes. Oh, I'm walking on ice. I want to get off the ice. I don't want to fall. Right to the sun, of course. Over the pond of doom. Through the sun again. Sometimes I just wonder how smart I really am. Now I got a big spot in my eye, which is nasty. A little bit of slow flying, cool the battery down a bit. That is an awesome bird. Taking it for a walk. Straight up. That's a cool tumble. Cutting it close on that one. Slow her down a bit. It's pretty sloppy out here. You can hear my feet just slopping in the muck. Nice knife edge. You know, whatever that was. I'm gonna walk over here. It's dry. I just had a beep on my timer, which means I got, I think, 1 minute left. So we're gonna cruise over this way. And we're gonna turn and slowly lower our power over the Pont de Dam. Right to my feet, almost. Oh. No, we're stuck in ice. Alright, that's the Pitts Python 12 by Dynam. Awesome plane. Just absolutely amazing plane. Love it 100%. I think, not sure, but Bitgo Hobby has these still. So go look at Bitgo Hobby. Tell them I sent you. Never know. Alright, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and all that good stuff.